Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Everything's working. Just had to unplug my other laptop because my other monitor because my laptop was overheating. So we're just going back with the old school way. All right, so how to build a landing page. We're going to create a landing page. We're going to make a landing page, however you want to do it. And I'm going to show you two ways to do it. I'm going to show you a free method. Technically, it's not free because it is part of your autoresponder, which you're going to need if you're an affiliate marketer. If you don't have an autoresponder, you're not playing the game. You're not in the game. You need to be collecting emails. That is the goal. And then I'm going to show you the premium funnel or landing page builder, which I love. And I love it because it's really versatile. But I'm going to show you both so you can see exactly how they work. Now, before we get into it, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification so you do get notifications when I create videos. So first off, let's go over to our screen here. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in my Aweber account where I've got 4,600 subscribers in this Aweber account. I'm in my my active list here. This is affiliate profit pages. And I'm going to go over here to landing pages. And basically, and if you don't know how to set this up, guys, just look at my videos. I'll put a video up on how to do it. So I don't have a landing page for this particular email list. I'm not going to get into the basics of the email or the email marketing, although stick around to the end because I'll give you something that's going to make your life super easy and you're just going to be able to breeze through all this stuff. So first off, creating a landing page is really simple. We're just going to click on the green button. We're going to pick a blank template right here. You can choose any of the templates they have, but I'm just going to choose just a blank one just to show you how easy it is. Now I'm going to go over to ClickBank. And we're going to make a landing page for the ClickWealth program, which is converting really well right now. I think that it's doing very, very well. So what are we going to need? We're going to need our promote. We're going to need our link. So we're going to need this promotion link. And all you need to do to get your link is click on promote, put in your account username, generate hop link, and then you're going to have that. So you want to have that open there. Now go back to your landing page. We are going to, in the marketplace, there's a little thing down here. It says JV information. Click on that and they'll give you a bunch of stuff. So I downloaded a banner, which I'm gonna basically use. So it says secrets to make extra $37.50 in just a week. Click here to find out. So I'm gonna put that right in here. What was it? Let's see, the 3 secrets, right? The 3 secrets to make an extra. I'm gonna do that cap extra. Let's get rid of all this stuff. And to make an extra $37.50 in a week. Let's go learn the 3 secrets to make an extra three. So I like that. That'll be good. And why am I going off this image, guys? Because this is one of their images, and this is what they're going to talk about in their landing page or whatever. That's why I'm just using some congruency. Click here to find out is what will be our call to action. I'm just going to delete this row here. Delete the powered by Aweber. So I just want this clean, super clean here. And then we're going to stick a form in right underneath it. And we're just going to do a little bit of styling here. Move me out of the way. Spacing is, see right here, see how I clicked on spacing, it says 30 and 30. So I'm going to do that to this form here. I'm going to do the form so it looks, how do I get in here? Let's see. Make the color red, bright red. One cool thing that Aweber does is it gives you this little hover thing, which I really like that. That's pretty cool. But I do want to get into layout. this has to be in a new row. Maybe that's the, oh, actually let's just preview this and see what it looks like. And then we'll look at mobile. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so how are we gonna make this pop, right? So we're gonna go back to the editor here, and we're gonna put this in red. Let's do the color up here. You're gonna have a little place to control that, red. And then we're gonna take the whole thing and we're gonna bump it up to 48. Learn the 3 secrets. And we're gonna underline this. And let's preview that. Aha. Learn the 3 secrets to make an extra $37.50 in a week. That looks pretty cool. Guys, this is how easy it is. You want simple and basic because you really just want to collect their email as quickly as possible. So for here, we're just going to edit the forms here. So this form is name, email. That's what we need. Text color is all fine. And submission, we're going to send it to, remember the custom URL. So we're going to go back over here. I'm going to grab this. You can just click that, it's been copied. And custom URL, we're gonna do that. And if they've already subscribed, we're gonna still send them back to the custom URL. All right, so that's where we're going. So they're gonna opt in, we're gonna send them on to the offer. And just so you guys can see what the offer looks like, it's gonna, so as soon as they give us their email, they're gonna get taken to this right here. And they'll be able to watch this video. Give me 5 minutes. I'll show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. So we could have used that headline as well. I just wanted to go with something with the banner, or we could use this. You could be passing your first $579 day online profits to someone else. Maybe we'll grab that. Copy, and let's just put this in here. Center it. Bump the font up, 24. There we go. And then what did we want to do here? What was the, click here to find out. Click here to find out. So basically, guys, we are pretty much done, and that is building it in Aweber. Now, a couple of things I don't like about Aweber is that it actually, the settings, they have this custom path stuff, and it's kind of a drag because you end up changing your subdomain and you only get to change it once, and then it changes all your other funnels or your other landing pages, and it kind of is not that great. You can't really build a funnel here. You're really just building landing pages. I do recommend though, when you go here, you're in design, you go over to settings, you want to go down to social sharing, and you really want to make sure, you know, page title, you want to take probably all this text, copy, and go back to the settings here, social sharing, and you want to put that description in there. And then I'm going to put that banner in, because you know how when you share a link and it shows you, it'll show you like a little image. So that's what I'm setting up here. So when I do finally like save this, right, share this somewhere, it will pull this information up. So let's see, let's call it ClickWealth. Okay, so this is my preview URL. So if I take this over to, it's just, sorry guys, my fan is starting to run a little bit. If I take it over to Twitter, let's see what Twitter pulls in if I post it in a tweet. Let's see what it pulls in here. Yeah, it didn't pull any of the social share stuff in because I don't think I've published it yet. Yeah, it's not published. So that's basically it. I can also share this with you guys. So if you guys want this funnel, I can just do that, and I'll give you the link for that. And just message me, drop a message down below, and I will send you the link for that. And then you can also put like a Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, or a Facebook pixel in there, so you can target that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool. So we'd save and exit that, and then we want to publish it. and like that. And now we can share it, copy URL. Let's go back to Twitter. Let's delete this one. Oops, let's delete this one. Where is it? Now, why do you guys want a landing page? Well, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to have a landing page because you can't do, oh, look at, it did put it in there, but it put it in kind of weird. Let's delete that. And let's go right from it and see what it does if I go share, social share right from here, Twitter. See what it prints in there. Oh, it's just printing the it's not printing, oh, it's putting it there. So in this case, it doesn't really give you that full image. Let's tweet it and just see if it does pull it in. It might just give the little thumbnail there. Yeah, I don't really particularly like that when I'm posting on Twitter. I want to have the full image there. So we'll just leave that. It's fine. I'll give it a heart. Now that is how it's done in Aweber. Now if someone goes and lands on that page, right? Glenn, put in my email there, test it, boom, it takes me to the page, and look at that, my link. You always want to check your link, and you can see my username there. So simple, guys, right? Super simple. That is Aweber. Now Aweber is actually free for up to 500 subscribers. So it's a great thing. I'll put a link below for Aweber. Grab it. It's my favorite one. You can also do this in GetResponse. Kind of similar. It's a little bit trickier, but it works really well. And you know, and this would just be what you'd share, or you could put that. You could put this banner somewhere. You could put this banner somewhere with a link to your landing page, not to the affiliate offer, but to your landing page. So you collect the email and then you move it on to the thing. So let's do the same thing in ClickFunnels. We're over here in ClickFunnels, and we're gonna just, and guys, here's a little thing. I've got a bunch of landing pages built here, and especially this one, which converts like crazy. If you want this whole setup here, it does, the ClickFunnels is $97 a month, but what you can do with it is incredible, guys. You can do so much with it. And it really is sort of the be all end all. So we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to add a new step to this funnel. We're going to call it Click Wealth. And I don't want to show it in the funnel. And I'll just do Click Wealth is the path. Is that right? Click Wealth, yeah. And then we're going to create a funnel step. Now with ClickFunnels, it's a little bit different because they do have a different sort of steps to basically designing your page. It's a little bit, but we're going to do it from blank as well. Blank search. Sorry guys if my fan's starting to run. I don't know why we're having these issues. Maybe it's time to upgrade. Okay, let me shut down a couple of these. So we'll shut down this just so we don't get leave site. And leave. All right, now let's get in here. So this is our blank page. So we'll just go like this. And right here, this section, we're gonna what was our headline? Learn the 3 secrets to make an extra $37.50 in a week. and that was it. So same thing with this one. We're gonna do the settings here. So this one's a little different. You want to when you want to edit the elements. So this is an element, this is a row, and this is a column. So you can just think of that: green is column, blue is row, and orange is the element. And you're going to click on this gear here. Now I get to go in and do the color. Now in order to get a red color in there, I have to bold something, right? So I'm going to bold this. Do I have the, yeah, let's just have that right there. There we go. Learn the 3 secrets to make an extra, and we're going to have this as a sub headline. So we're going to add, a new element. We're going to add a sub headline here. Like that. And this one we were going to make, we want to, what was the font? 48. There we go. And we put a little underline and slant on those. Learn the 3 secrets to make an extra 3. Perfect, right? So now what we need to do is we need to add some forms. But I'm gonna add, so I want it to so I can click on rows. So I can just add a row, right? 1 column row. And you can drag it on. So I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm going to add an element, and this is where I'm going to add my form. Now, the way that you add a form in ClickFunnels is a little bit different. You're basically going to add these input forms, and then you would set the type, right? So full name, and I would put your name here. It takes a little bit longer because you can do so much more. It's so much more versatile, right? So this isn't required. And then we'll just, I'm just going to duplicate that. So this little thing right here, copy, and then, but you know what? I'm not going to do it that way. I'm actually going to add another one because I wanted to give the default spacing in there. See before when I duplicated it, put it right underneath, and then this one, it did the default spacing. So now I'll go in here. Input type, it is the email address, it's required, and your email in there. And that's kind of it, guys. We can add a little paragraph saying, we'll grab this, and just to give people some peace of mind. Oh, we need to add a button, right? So what are we going to add here? Where's our button? And guys, when you get, here's my buttons. When you get good at this, you're gonna love it, right? So, what was our, click here to find out. And there we go, and we'll do the button color. We're gonna go with the same red. We're gonna make these as close as possible. Pill button. Change that back to red. I like the controls here. I really like. It's a cool thing to do. That's pretty good. Click here to find out. Maybe I don't want the pill. Do a blue 3D button. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then we'll just switch this out to, every time you change the theme of the button, guys, you got to go back and change the color of it'll change it back to the default. So anyways, there we go. Just like that, and then we're going to put an action on here. So we're going to submit order. we want the form to set, right? So that's gonna take the name and the email and it's gonna send it where we want to send it. So we have to go over and set up our integrations. So like I said, ClickFunnels is a little bit longer to do, but guys, it basically works so fast. We're gonna throw it to our Aweber because this is all set up. We're gonna add it to integrate into an existing list, and where's my affiliate profit pages? So there, now it's set up. So when it goes in, right? And then in general, guys, this is where we're going to do our redirect. So we need to make sure that we have our, generate this again, copy that, and our redirect. So on submit, and we want to save that. And then we want to change our SEO. So remember what we did last time? We said, we took all this and we made our, where are we here? SEO, ClickWealth. Learn the 3 secrets. Put your name in there. It's always good to get some branding. And then we're going to grab the image. I think I'd already uploaded it before, guys. Well, maybe not. Upload. Grab this image. So like I said, guys, it takes a little bit. There we go. And that's it. That is done. We save that. We preview it. And so guys, look at this. They pretty much look the same, right? Learn 3 secrets. And on this one, we will test it. So I can't even tell the difference. Submitting, and there it goes. Takes me to the right spot. So we're done there. And we are done. Settings are done. Everything's done. So we go back here and we will have our link. And this is going to be our link to it. And guys, I'm going to give you this, so don't worry. You just have to click on the first link below and just sign up for the affiliate profit pages, because there's a ton of stuff, guys, that you get access to our Facebook profile, all that stuff. Anyways, let's try this on Twitter and see what it does. Let's see how this one works. Now, if it doesn't give us what we want, let's see if it doesn't give us a little preview. Now we'll just tweet it. It's doing the same thing. So why it's probably doing that is because that image isn't the right size for a good preview in social media. So you'd really want to go back and grab a proper social media size one. Anyways, that is the 2 ways we can do it. You can do a subdomain, but those are the 2 ways. Let's get back on here. Ta-da! 23 minutes. Wow, I thought it'd be quicker than that. Anyways, that's it, guys. So if you are serious about affiliate marketing, you're going to need a landing page. And if you're going to be doing any advertising, if you're going to be doing Google, if you're going to be doing Bing, you're going to be doing Facebook, you're going to be doing YouTube, all those platforms, they require landing pages in order to advertise. You can't just send them directly to an affiliate link. So you're going to need a landing page. Now, you can also go to Google Sites and make like free landing pages in Google. But really, when you start building out your platform, you want to start branding yourself. Like, again, I did that quick, and I have this as a ClickFunnels funnel because I give this funnel away. My other funnels are almost all branded with Glenmurray Online, and then it would say ClickWealth, right? So I'm branding myself, and that's what you're going to want to do. So when you grab this funnel from me, you'd want to change it to your domain that you would put into ClickFunnels that you'd be able to use as your domain. So hopefully that's helpful, guys. Down below, click the affiliateprofitpages.com. As soon as you enter your email, You're going to get an email. Make sure you whitelist my email, because all I do, guys, I send you the best converting programs online that are making money right now. So I try to I try to go out and find numerous programs. Sometimes I'll send the same program over and over just so you guys get it in case you miss it, or you're going to see, like, you might see it a few times. You're like, wow, that one's really working. And that's what I'm going to be sending you. So I'm just going to go out and I'm going to find the best programs that you can make money with online and the best ones to promote. If you get an email from me and you see I'm promoting a product, try it out and then go promote it yourself, because it's probably working. So that's what happens. You can so go to Affiliate Profit Pages, and in that first email, you're going to get access to that entire funnel from ClickFunnels, and you're also going to get a whole bunch of my swipe copy, which is the emails that I send out on a daily basis. Now I have a generic one that people can get there. Now, if you want my other ones, like I send almost 2 emails a day, almost most days 2 emails a day. Now, if you want all of those, just message me and I'll download from my Aweber account my emails for you, and you guys can use them and copy them and use them for your own. Tweak them a little bit, but they're working. Usually there's 2 or 3 offers in it. You can see how I structure my emails as well. So really become a student, like start learning how other marketers are doing it. Just don't directly copy, but you can imitate very, very well. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully the fan didn't get too loud for you on this, and we'll see about getting the old laptop upgraded here, so we can run the big monitor and the new HD camera. We didn't think it would be a problem, but anyways, that's it. I think that's everything. Oh, check out guys, I'm going to put my resources below. Check out the links. There's some great programs. Besides ClickBank programs, there's some great subscription-based programs that you can belong to and promote, and they do very, very well on building a list and making really good money online. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Enjoy it. Cheers. Make sure you comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.